king in pawn in game, no? White to play in win. So white king has 2 pawns and black king has 1 pawn. But it is not an easy to win, no? Because if white king creates a mistake move, then the black king managed to draw. So we have a formula, no? Known as triangulation of move of king. So what is a triangulation move of a king? This is a special 3-move maneuver of white king where the king moves on a triangular pattern to return to its starting position, starting square. So, but when the opponent is now having a next move, the positions opponent called sugswang. So, let us try, no? By white king move d4. So, black moves at king d8, no? Making a distant opposition. Uh, again, king c4, no? So, the black king move at king c8. For example, no? If, if he moved to king c7, so the white king has an opposition. Then, it is this position is win for white, already for white, no, because the white king has an opposition. Return to ano, no, original position, no. If white black king goes to king c8, now the white king has gained a triangulation, no. So then the black has to move. So maybe wins for a white na. Let us try another possibilities of moves, no. If black king goes to white king c7, white king gain